Hi, Emoji B. Can I come in? Can I come in? No? Oh, yes. Okay, I'm glad you're saying yes. Boy, look how handsome you are tonight. Yeah, you're Emoji B. Did you want to talk to me? No? Or you just want to sniff me? What do you think? Should be the first will he walk across my arm? I don't know. I guess not. He's like, my TV's paused. I can't see my birds. Would you like this toy that's in my back pocket? Oh. Is you Emoji B? Is you Emoji B? I don't have to swing it back and forth with you. You do enough bang. Look at the size of his paws. And paws are... Oh, you gonna take it again? No, this is mine. It's my toy. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna take it over to your bed. You're a silly boy. You're a silly boy. Can I get that back? No? Oh. I tell you what, after I get the other kitties fed, I'll bring you out and we'll have a good long playtime, okay? You like that feather, don't you? Yeah, it reminds me of them hackbirds. Yeah.